आयतारा बिल्लाच्या बिट्स पिलानी महाविद्यालयान पदवी अवतरण सुवाळो जालो. ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरो म्हण उल्लेखनीय इतिहासकार आणि चरित्रकार रामचंद्र गुहा हजर आशिल्ले. RDX गोवा खातीर बिल्लाच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Nehru and Gandhi had many differences. On economic policy, for example, Gandhi believed in a village-oriented economy. Nehru took the route of modernization and industrialization. But they were united by one thing, that is an absolute commitment to religious and linguistic pluralism. When Gandhi's greatness was that he forged a national movement which refused to reduce nationalism to a religious or a linguistic essence. And I think that's a lesson we are in danger of forgetting. Also, and this is also part of Gandhi's greatness, he refused to reduce nationalism to a single language. All across Europe, nations were formed in the 19th century on the basis of allegiance to a single language. Every Frenchman had to speak French. Every Polish patriot had to speak Polish. Every German had to speak German. But Gandhi recognized we are in a country so diverse, with so many languages, each of which had extraordinarily rich and robust literary traditions, we could not have a single national language. He promised from the 1920s, Gandhi promised that when India became independent, it would have linguistic states. Unfortunately, in our country, both major parties, the Congress and the BJP, as well as regional parties, are in danger of reducing democracy to what I call elections-only democracy. Elections are completely free and fair, as the Election Commission proved only last week in the Gujarat Rajya Sabha case. I mean, the Election Commission is justly regarded as a competent, efficient, transparent and non-corrupt institution. But democracy should be about more than elections. We are in danger of reducing democracy to have an election, somebody wins, for the next 5 years that person is immune.
BITS is known for the quality of education it imparts. A total of 562 courses were offered in the last academic year. Out of them, 14 courses were offered across the campuses using the Cisco telepresence facility available in the campus. This is a unique facility which is available only in BITS. In India, no other university possibly has such a facility. 12 new courses have been introduced during the year. To strengthen our focus on deeper experiential learning through technology, a remote laboratory for embedded systems with a specific focus on Internet of Things has been started at the Goa campus in May 2017.